So there is a new Pokemon Sleep app. It's available on the App Store, so you can get it. And then yeah, you can just get it in the App Store. You can just tap Get, and then you'll be able to install it. Yes, this is the app built by Pokemon, the same company behind Pokemon Go. And the idea is that it helps you with sleep. Of course, there are like gazillion of sleep tracker apps out there. You would ask like, what's the point of this app? But it just helps you with the sleep with help of Pokemons. And for a lot of people, it actually works. There are, like a lot of gamification where you need to track your sleep and go to bed earlier or something like that, and then you will get some rewards, or you will be involved in some Pokemon story, and then yeah, then you can just select your country region. You can't change this later, so you and then you can change your later. So for example, you can just enter your example date of birth. um, so yeah, now you can get started. So now you just need to wait until this app downloads, and then yeah, you need to sign in all these privacy notes and terms to get started. You need to actually to open them and accept, and then the download process starts. Yeah, so it will start now. It's actually quite a lot, 500 megabytes, just depending on your available space and yeah, and your Wi-Fi speed actually. So now it is downloaded. You can enter your username from here. Uh, and then this is the screen where you get started. You can't skip this section. There is like a Professor Neroli where he will explain to you all the details, so you can just see here how it looks like and what is the process. So then there is like a Pikachu, your sleep helper, which you can see in the app here. Um, and then you can give a name, and then there are like some different rewards which you will get. You can see some of them if you're, like doing your sleep in a correct way and going to bed early and all of that. So yeah, from here you can just set up your bedtime. I think you can change it later, and when you go to your bed in a specified bedtime, then yeah, it kind of will work out. So then yeah, you can just see how it looks like and all the details, and just start browsing around the app. And when you're ready, you can start your sleeping session. I will show later how it works. Then there are some general settings where you can also just browse something around. And so yeah, and then some additional settings. You can enable music, sound effects, Pokemons, and all of that things. So yeah, that's basically the idea here. Then also friends. And then you can just tap to add friends, and then this is your researcher ID, and then you can just add a friend, or you can just enter researcher ID to add friends, scan the code, or show this code to your friends. And that's basically it. When you want to start tracking sleep, you need to give access to your microphone in order to perform. Track and measure sleeping noises help ensure successful tracking. And then there you have it. Now you just have this recorded this sleep session.